60-year-old Carol Seebeck of Trenton has struggled with multiple sclerosis nearly half her life. She's bedridden and she's lost the use of her hands. Her husband Klaus does what he can, even while recently fighting cancer, but he needs help. That's where the Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County comes in.
It's not just a job, it's like being a part of the family. It just makes me happy that I can help others in their own home environment.
For Klaus and Carol, the services of the Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County make the difference.
I can't do as much anymore like I used to do because I was sick and the nurses helped me out a great deal. The home health aides, very helpful. Really appreciate it. For her sake especially, she has somebody to talk to.
Without the VNA, I would be at the creek without a paddle.
I like the VNA because I think that we really make a difference. I think that we're really the best agency.
For people like the Seebecks, it's hard to imagine not having the Visiting Nurse Association, and harder still to imagine a time when it didn't exist here at all. The year was 1938. The Zonta Club of Trenton, an international service organization for women, wanted to address a specific community need: the lack of home health care services within Mercer County. Better training for new mothers would help fight the high infant mortality rate, and providing home health care for hospital patients would bring them home earlier, help them heal faster, and reduce medical costs. So a director and 2 nurses were hired, and the Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County was created. Now, more than 6 decades later, it's providing services no one could have imagined in 1938. Joanne Rudin is the president and CEO.
We have more available to us with medication, with products that we can bring into the home now. It's a part of the Hospital Without Walls philosophy, that whatever it is, we can bring it to your home, we can have it delivered to your home, and we can work with you there in your home.
Their high standards of practice have won them national accreditation, and their caring and compassion have won them the trust of the Mercer County community they serve. Just ask Social Work Services Coordinator Jackie Brennan.
They'll say that, it's so refreshing to see you walk through the door. Now I know I'm going to get help. You've helped me in the past. Your nurses are so supportive. So there's a level of trust and kind of faith in us, in our abilities to provide services. And so I think that's what brings them back to us time and time again, and generation after generation back to us as well.
The most consistent feedback we get from our clients is that our staff are compassionate and that they are caring. The ability of our staff to connect to you in your home environment absolutely sets us apart. And when we leave that client, we want to know that they're safe without us.
Services also include hospice care for patients who are dying. And there's even a client relief fund, providing essentials for those who can't afford them. And the best part, the Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County never sleeps.
We're open 365 days a year. When the state is closed because there's a snow emergency, our staff is there. There's always a nursing manager here to triage crises, to answer your healthcare questions. So if you have an issue at 3 o'clock in the morning, we are there for you, just as we are there for you at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So what's ahead for the Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County? A continued commitment to respond to home health care needs of the residents of Mercer County with quality, innovative, cost-effective services while evolving with the home health care trends of today. Technology is but one future phase of home health care the Visiting Nurse Association must provide.
We're starting to see the use of interactive videos as a care option for our nurses to be able to monitor you from an office. And how we fund it is going to be the greatest challenge, because at this point, all of it is good ideas, none of it is paid for. But you can't ignore the power of technology, and if we're going to be successful for the next 65 years, we're going to have to incorporate that into everything that we practice.
The Visiting Nurse Association of Mercer County, building on the strong foundation of its past and incorporating new technologies as it strives to provide the citizens of Mercer County with the very best home care services possible in the future.